In this video, we're decorating our fireplaces. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you decided to stop by. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And today I am overly excited. Today my challenge drops. Yes, I am hosting a challenge. And the title of this challenge is the Summer Fireplace Decor Challenge of 2020. Now, my wonderful co-host for this challenge is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, if you're not familiar with her channel, Kenya does home decor, she does thrifting, she does a little cooking here and there, but I really enjoy her channel because of her decorations at Christmas, and I'm a Christmas nut myself. Now, I will have a link to Kenya's channel along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description box. Now, we had simple rules for this challenge. We asked that you must use flowers, that you must use the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Summer Fireplace 2020. You must mention both hosts in your video. You must have a link to both of the hosts and the playlist in your description box. And then we ask that you have fun. Now, I am aware that some people do not have a mantle. You have an apron. You're welcome to decorate your apron. And if you don't have a fireplace, you can decorate a bookshelf, a top of a china cabinet, or a bar. So I want to give everyone access to be able to decorate for this challenge. And if you want to see what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around.
Stronger. Wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up.
And while you're here, click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Alright, let's start right here. We have the two DIY lanterns that I made, and inside I have the hydrangea puffs that I purchased from Pure One on clearance. And as you know, the two candlesticks inside, they were thrift find. Now the lanterns were DIY from frames from a Dollar Tree. Now here I have this long hanging greenery. I purchased that at Michael's when they had their sale right before the pandemic. And then I got the green and the blue hydrangeas. They came from Michael's as well before the pandemic. And then the greenery garland that was purchased from Hobby Lobby last year or the year before last. Now in the middle here I have this big fish bowl, and inside I have some green moss from the Dollar Tree, and on top of it is some blue hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree, and I inserted two butterflies inside. Now again, we're looking at this moss, which this garland, which I really like. And then we have on the other end, we have mirroring the two hydrangeas like on the other end, and the hanging greenery from Michael's. I have it on both ends. And then I have the terrariums from the Dollar Tree. And in this one I have the white sand with the green hydrangeas. The middle one has blue and green, and then the bottom one has the blue hydrangeas. They all have the white sand. And I thought that was a good balance for them hanging up here. In the single one, I have green and blue hydrangeas with the white sand from the Dollar Tree. Now these hydrangeas that you see in these dishes, they're all from the Dollar Tree hydrangea bushes. Now down below on the apron, I have a vase, a 9-inch vase from the Dollar Tree, and it's attached to one of the wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. Inside I have the stones and the moss balls from the Dollar Tree. And then the white flowers that came from Hobby Lobby a few years back. And then the greenery at the back came from the Dollar Tree. Now I have that mirrored on both ends. I really like the way the decor came out this year. I'm liking the green and the blue hydrangeas, and I think it came out really nice. I wanted something simple but fresh that will last me through the spring and the summer, and I think it looks really nice. I'm really proud of it this year. So let me know what you think about my fireplace decor. Leave me messages down below. I love to read your responses. And as always, you be blessed.